Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus saga continues to unfold, and this time it's the Korean version that's making waves on Geekbench. Brace yourselves for a roller coaster ride of specs and surprises. Picture this: the mighty S24 Plus with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and Android 14 made its grand entrance on Geekbench in July, boasting 8 GB of RAM under the hood. Fast forward to now, and the Korean counterpart, strutting in with the model code SMS926N, is stealing the spotlight. What's the secret weapon? None other than the Exynos 2400 chip taking charge like a tech superhero. But wait, there's more. This Korean sensation isn't just a carbon copy. Oh no, it's flaunting a hopping 12 GB of RAM, a power move that puts its predecessor, the S23 Plus, to shame with its mere 8 GB. But don't start waving goodbye to 8 GB just yet. The SMS926B, spotted on Geekbench a fortnight ago, hinted that the Exynos edition might still dance to the 8 GB beat. Geekbench scores are in, and while the Exynos-powered 8 GB and 12 GB models are playing catch-up with their Snapdragon sibling, the excitement is far from over. Pump the brakes on Judgment Day because, hey, these benchmark shenanigans might just be a warm-up. We're strapping in for the real deal, the hands-on test where pre-production stunts take a backseat and the retail version steps into the spotlight, ready to dazzle us with its synthetic prowess. Hold tight, folks. The Galaxy S24 Plus spectacle is just getting started, and we're here for every jaw-dropping twist and turn.